Here is a beautiful traditional wall decor that you can easily make at home by upcycling old calendars. I'm using 12 by 24 inch canvas frame. Here I selected beautiful image of Lord Venkateshwara. This image has red, green and gold colors which will go perfect with the black backdrop. Using regular scissors, I'm going to cut out the corners. I'm going to leave some small gap while cutting the corners. Near the jewelry piece, I'm carefully cutting the corners so that I have some extra space. Here is a tip. While cutting the corners near this jewelry, make sure you are leaving some extra space. Make sure you have gap between the jewelry and this backdrop. Carefully cut out the corners. To remove this backdrop, I'm going to use X-Acto knife. I'm using the same technique. While cutting out with the X-Acto knife, I'm leaving a small bit of gap. This is how the image would look after we cut it out. Using the ruler and pencil, I am marking where exactly I want to place the idol on the frame. I am using some paper glue to attach the image to the canvas frame. Make sure glue is spread across all the corners. Now I'm going to attach the image and I'm going to center it based on my markings on the canvas. I'm going to slowly work towards the top and press gently so that there are no folds while attaching the image. Now I am attaching gold trim to the borders. To add some bling and cover the corners, I am using a gold trim. I am attaching this gold trim using a multi-purpose glue. Here I am creating 1-inch gap cardboard cutout that I'll be using to create the frame for this canvas. Using an X-Acto knife, I'm going to cut out the cardboard. I cut 5 pieces of cardboard and attach them together using some hot glue so that I can level it up to the canvas side frame. I am cutting out some fabric so that I can wrap it around the cardboard.
Using some hot glue, I am attaching the fabric to the cardboard. After attaching the fabric to the cardboard, there were some fabric wrinkles. Using an iron box with low heat setting, I removed the wrinkles.
Here is the final reveal of my project. I hope you enjoyed watching this project and got some ideas for your DIY projects. Comment if you have questions. I am happy to answer them. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for more easy DIY projects. Thank you very much for watching.